So get your fabric, whatever fabric you want to use, Ankara, this, that, whatever it is. Mark out where you are going to place it like this and apply gum on that area. So let me apply gum on this area, apply gum on this side, and I'll be back. So we've applied gum on both components. We are going to stick it on now. Let's turn it to the other side, so I will have a proper view of making sure that there is no rumple at the back. Okay, so we are going to apply gum all over this side and stick it on again. So let me apply gum round here and I'll be back. So let me trim this excess off and I'll be back. When you are trimming, please make sure you allow some space for folding. We are leaving some space for folding. We are not trimming everything like we did to the wardy. We are leaving out some space for folding. So we are going to fold it inside like this. Let me trim this off and I'll be back. So it has been trimmed, leaving some excess. So we are going to fold it in like this. Before we do that, let's apply our gum. We're going to apply our gum like this. Okay, so you see it. Apply your gum like this on the tip. We also apply gum on the excess to fold over on so that it will stick on properly. So let me apply gum all over it and I'll be back. So we've applied gum, now it's dried now. Let's take it on. Okay. Now they see. Now let me stick this round, I'll be back. So we've applied the fabric over it. So what we'll do next is to get our connector to make it whole. So I'm using this. This is a light leather. I apply fabric over it like this. I just apply fabric here, a light leather. I didn't apply fabric here, so I'm going to use that as a connector. So you get the the center point. Make sure it is centralized. You get it, mark it, and I'll stick it on. So let me gum this place and I'll be back. So you apply gum on this part like this. We've already applied gum here too. So we've applied gum on both sides. We are waiting for it to dry. Once it's dry now, we'll just stick it on. It's dried now. Let's take this on. Let's stick this on. Taking consideration of our mark. Okay, we got this. Now let's go get our zip. So we applied gum on this edge like this. On the three corners, we applied gum on the side of the zip. What we did now was to take measurement of where the zipper is going to start from. So I'm using 2 cm. On your pink leather or whatever color of leather you are going to use, you mark 2 cm on both sides. I hope you can see the mark this side. Chai. Oh wow. This is the mark we are working with. That's 2 cm from that side, and this side is gum. This is our zip. We're going to start gumming from that side. Our zipper is going to start from that side. Okay, let me open it. So when you get to this corner side, you just cut off the excess and you tuck it in. Okay, that's cut off and you tuck it in like so. You can see it's tucked in now. You tuck it in like that. So let me do this side too. Okay, and you do same, cut off the excess and you tuck it in. Okay, now let's try our zipper to see how it goes. Wow, so we got this. We've got enough that will wrap from here down to somewhere here. Use your measurements as triangles are different. Just fold it in, put your elastic, and you have this. And you can now just tape this down like this, so as to give us a smooth edge. Something you can easily do. So I have applied gum on this side. I've applied gum. Start all this side. There's gum there. Okay, there's gum. I've applied gum on this side down. I've applied gum on this side down. So let me mark where it's going to start from. Let me just use 3.5 cm. Okay, that's that. From here to this side, 3.5 cm. From here to this side, 3.5. You can even do 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. If you want to start from the middle, take the measurements. Make sure the measurements correspond with the other side too. So now let me stick this on. Let's see how it goes. Okay, mine is starting from that end. Okay, hope you can see it. Just hope you can see it. Okay, I'm going to stick it all around. Sticking it all around like that. Okay. So let me stick this side too. Okay, now let me stick it all around and I'll be back. So stick it round. Let's get our bias binding. We are going to start from where the elastic, that inner elastic you're looking at, the pocket elastic. We're going to start from that place and end at the other side too. So we're going to start from that side and end at the other side. I don't want to put it all around because the lining is covered already. You can see it's covered. As when it's not covered like the other ones, probably will put it round it. But this place that the zip is, I don't like the edge showing, so I have to cover it. So you can use your USU glue, whatever glue that you know is suitable for you, just use it. Okay, so let me start from where the pocket is. Okay, I have to be very, very careful. Okay. Can you see that? Okay, you can see now it's covered. We'll apply it down. So let me apply it to that side and I'll be back. So it is covered. So here you can see it now. It's covered. We did the same on both sides. I hope you can see it. Okay, it is covered. It also covered the zipper side. Okay. Welcome back. This is Precious Works. So after that, I attached my thread and needle. I attached my holder, ring holder, with my thread and needle. You can see it is attached with the thread and needle. The next thing we'll do is to get our trimmings and gum it round. Okay, you can see that. So we're going to gum it round it. Let me use my USU to do this and I'll be back. Apply your USU gum and you stick it on. This is it. Now let me do this round and I'll get back. Let's see how the inside looks like. This is how the inside looks like. So let's get our money. The small pots we made earlier now, you remember? We'll put the money inside there. Car keys, whatever. Put it inside. We've added this. So let's zip this. Nice. Do it the way you didn't fit. Thank you for watching. My name is Emmanuel Aneko of Precious Works. Thank you and may God bless you.